How to make text bigger in Character AI. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can make text bigger in Character AI. In order to make the bigger text in Character AI, you can use Markdown formatting. In order to do so, first of all, open your Character AI application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. If not, use your credentials to access your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this page. Here, you will need to navigate to the chat list and select the character whom you would like to interact with and open the chat interface. Once you open it, now here type in your message. To increase the text size, you will simply need to add a hashtag sign followed by space before your text. Tap on the message box at the bottom and type in hashtag. After that, tap on the space bar and type in your message. Now, tap on the airplane-like icon at the right side in order to send this message. You will see the text has been bigger. If you'd like to make it slightly smaller, you can increase the number of hashtags. For example, if you'd like to make it a bit small, you can add 2 hashtags and then space and type in your message. Tap on the airplane-like icon to send it. So by following these steps, you can easily make your text larger and adjust its size in Character AI. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.